guys, I just got home from the doctor with Harrison. We had to go get his hearing checked and he passed everything, so I mean the kid can hear. I got home and Hero surprised me and told me that he actually has the day off today. So he's got a couple errands he's got to run, and then we're gonna take the kids to the park and do a little bit of grocery shopping. My hair looks really weird. And we still have up the happy birthday sign from Harrison's party, so yeah. But yeah, I'll try to record when we take the kids to the park so you can see them play and have a good time. Hey Paxton, we're at the park. Say hi. He's got on his little tennis shoes, they're so cute. What a wonderful. Let's go find Harrison. There's my big boy.
What a wonderful world.
Go down the slide. Hurry up, Paxton's crying. Come on, Harrison. Come down. Whee! Is that fun? Check out the storm. We got home just in time. This camera is not doing justice through the window. Look at this. So that's a blast.
Paxton, Bubba, hey, where are you going? Come here. Paxton, come here. Come walk to Dad. Oh, hi.
Hi, Dad.
Can you say hi to everybody?
Hey,
Hi, everybody. What's Mama doing today? Mama's gonna make cupcakes. Get everything ready, and Harrison's gonna help her. Paxton's gonna be in the way. Are you excited? You gonna help her?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna help me, right? We're gonna do 3 eggs. 2. What comes after 2? 3.
How many eggs, Harrison?
How many eggs is that? Is it 3?
It's dripping. Put it over the bowl. There you go.
Oil. Let's scrape this. Make sure we get it all. Okay. Good job. And now the fun part, the cake mix. No. It's raw egg, baby. You like it? Can you do that? Good job. Okay, ready? Done.
Hi.
So it's Saturday today. We had a yard sale this morning. It was like a neighborhood-wide thing. And we actually made quite a decent amount of money. How much was it, babe? Like almost $200? Yeah, almost $200, so it's pretty good. And we were only out there for maybe what, like 2 hours or so?
Yeah, like 8 to 11.
Yeah, but right now Hero's making macaroni, mac and cheese. We're gonna have a little like Father's Day cookout with our neighbor. I'm probably not gonna record because it's kind of awkward, you know, with your neighbors. But anyway, we're making mac and cheese, and that's what the cupcakes were for that we made yesterday. We got the kids eating lunch. Harrison's eating oatmeal like a big boy. Wow. That smile. And Paxton, we attempted to let him eat oatmeal like a big boy, but that's what we get, right? A messy baby. He always scratches his face up no matter how many times I clip his nails or how short. Like, I don't know what to do, and he will not keep socks on his hands anymore, so it is what it is. Good morning, it's Father's Day. I just made Hero some cinnamon rolls and coffee, so I'm gonna bring this to him in bed. Try to surprise him a little bit. Happy Father's Day! And coffee. Love you. Aww, I try. Lola. Tasha. Okay, these are the pictures that the boys made. Well, they really made the rocks, but I made the little like picture stands for Hero for Father's Day. So we're gonna give those to him. And then also today we found this really cool soap shop. They make like bath bombs and bath fizzies and all that kind of stuff. And it's like all natural. It's like similar to a Lush, but we don't have Lush here, so. But like, look at how cute these are. This one's called Rubber Ducky. It's my favorite. It smells like so good. I don't even know. This one smells super sweet. And then we got this other one. This one's called Love Potion. It smells just like the Victoria's Secret Love Spell. And they're just all like so cute and colorful. So Buff City Soap, if you're ever in Biloxi, they have really good stuff there. Here, babe. Happy Father's Day.
Pictures, they're like little picture stands.
Yeah.
Oh, these are really cute.
Yeah, so you can put them at your desk at work.
Did you just take these?
A few days ago.
Did you get these rocks from outside?
Oh yeah, out there.
Did you paint them?
Harrison did.
What? How'd you get him to do that?
Just gave him the paintbrush, let him do it.
And the beads?
I did the beads. He painted the rocks.
Aw, these are really cute.
Yeah.
Try to
There's
put these
Harrison
back.
and there's Paxton's. I might have to tape them on there so they don't fall.
Yeah, something.
But I thought they were pretty cute.
Aw, how'd you come up with this?
Pinterest. Yeah. I'll have to tape it. And another update, we kind of rearranged the living room, so we put all the kids stuff here. There's nothing here, which we'll probably get like a rug and a like big chair to go there eventually. And then we got our couch and our TV. And then we moved the table. Okay, baby, we moved the table from the wall and made it into a square and moved this hutch here. So I can display like my Ray Dunn and stuff in there. And you, mister, you gotta take a bathy with your new soap, your Rubber Ducky soap. Okay? You ready for a bathy? Oh man.